Arya, Arya datang tidak telat. Oke, Arya lanjut. Kita semangat Arya. JavaScript atau Python? Cheers, ya. Coach Chef. Come on. Jangan gede di Kacika ya Allah. Coba Kacika setiap kali suara Kacika nggak kedengeran.
Maaf, ini suara aku entah kenapa jadi kayak kayak apa gitu, korupsi atau apa. Jadi nggak bisa, nggak kadang kalau jadi kadang aku nggak bisa dengar Kak Cika. Maaf ya.
Iya Arya, nggak apa-apa sayang. Ayo ya kita lanjut. Berarti apa nih? JavaScript ya? Oke. Umur ya.
Hmm.
Ingat nggak ada dan sama or. Kalau or tuh salah satu terpenuhi dia benar. Berarti kalau dia lebih kecil dari 18 tahun atau lebih besar dari 65 tahun, itu dia ini yang either under 18 or over 65. Nah, sekarang disuruh apa coba ya? Coba scroll ke bawah. Ini apa? Naruto kita kok ada update?
Unproductive to talk about this on pornographic sites. That said, I wonder if people are able to emotionally bond with others deeply. At least that's never been the case. I have been in many relationships, but I always put myself.
Um. Okay. The operator is another logical operate that logic.
Nah, disuruh apa dia? Loh, tar dulu. Tar dulu.
Oh, I completely forgot this. Oh my gosh.
Ya, cancel dulu. Right. Ya, kenapa gini? Tar.
Um.
Bisa ya? Kita disuruh cek ada Z, X sama C. Kak, ini minggu lalu Kak Cika kasih ke Arya. Tunggu-tunggu ya, ingetin. Arya yang coding ya, Kak Cika ini ya. Jadi, if
And
apa C lebih besar daripada X
like,
atau C lebih besar daripada Z, ya kan? Itu print console log pas,
in terms of
gitu kan?
trust, I have both.
Ya,
And
L
some extent money. I agree that
dia
easier
fail, gitu ya.
However, I still find it ridiculous.
Fail, fail, fail.
Comments on the site. For
Alright,
instance, take an example
biar
from
Arya yang coding. Kak Cika jawab bener ini.
self from the place of the boyfriend. You get to satisfy your sexual desires with that female. Should that not be one question? She satisfied. Why should you bother? If she does, she should inform you. Choose to do something about it. If not, what problem is there? It is her own problem. And again, she can choose whatever she wants to do in her life. I do not see that guy spending much on her. As
Nah,
such,
install update dulu Java.
both the boyfriend and the otaku. So long as she does not become too guilty or catch an STD, things could work just fine. In fact, I've seen that females, you should make good use of that. With that, you can, yeah, sure. But then she could not get pleasure from her average looking boyfriend. She gets a little pleasure out of having intercourse with a below average looking top guy. Of course, the guilt of infidelity gets not.
Oke, jadi
Udah, udah Kak Cika bikinin ya. Ayo Arya ya ngetik. Di dalam
if
fungsinya sayangku. Di dalam kurung keriting. Di dalam kurung
oh
keriting.
oke
Ya.
if
Ah, ya.
7x12 ini kali atau x?
X sayang.
Ah,
X. C lebih besar dari X. Terus pipe pipe. Bukan 7 sayang. Itu lebih besar dari.
oh,
Kan variabelnya C. C, X sama Z. Nah gitu.
bukan 11 tapi
Iya. Itu pipe. Ah, bukan itu sayang. Arya ada nggak di bener itu. Belum deh. Nah, pinter. Bisa copy paste dari situ? Jago ya. Bisa, 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 bisa. Bisa, 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 bisa. Ah.
hmm.
Mana?
Even a fake sense or fulfillment of emotional needs. This is assuming that the female is a new typical female. I really wonder why the unbright individuals below cannot realize this. And that penis volume thing is just humorously ridiculous. Do not be concerned about that. Just focus on your goals and how to realize them. The way to go nowadays is to not get emotionally attached to anyone, even if you are new typical. If you absolutely need emotional fulfillment of the talk,
M1 What deals here. Get over $1,300 off of the iPhone 17 lineup. That's right, over $1,300 off. Plus 9 GB worldwide roaming free. M1 What deals. Hurry to M1 Shops and M1.com.sg today.
Udah baru. Ada yang salah.
Hah?
Alamak. Kok salah ya? Coba ya cek.
Ini ada coba expected and oh oke.
Belum dikurungin sama Arya. Dia salah. JavaScript. Itu LC juga pakai titik koma gitu ya? Ya, atau titik komanya bukan di. Kayaknya else-nya pakai kurung kurung keriting buka deh. Ya. Terus di sini kurung buka, di sini kurung tutup gitu.
Oh, oke, wait. Else. Missing semicolon.
Oh, semikolon di baris 4 coba ya. Habis pas, kurungnya kasih titik koma. Terus di belakang fail juga nggak sih? Ih, kok marah? Oh, dia sesudah if nggak usah pakai titik koma ya.
Hah?
Sesudah if. Ini nih. Ini nggak usah pakai titik koma nih. Ya nggak sih?
Mana?
Baris 3. Coba sekarang bisa nggak? Udah nggak error nih. Cobain aja. Kalau dia nggak ngomel ya udah berarti bener. Ah, bener nih mah. Soalnya dia berpikir lama. It's supposed to be green.
Insert yourself. I do not completely
Ding, ding, ding,
understand the
ding.
concept of self-insertion. Try watching the events as a spectator. Although the
Ih, lama.
Hey.
Nice. Ayo,
plot
ayo,
is next to
ayo.
none and too generic. My pleasure arises from looking at the miserable and tormented state of females, which was fulfilled. Lebao, Jesus Christ!
Sambil
Are
loading
you
kasih
starting up some
ngomong.
religion
Yang
in
nomor
here or
10.
something? I don't believe he knows what he is talking about at all. This is ironic, right? The lesbian evaded by deleting her comment. How sad yet clever. You're creepy as fuck. This is why you'll never get pussy. Go off though. Enjoy you female suffering or whatever. How bold of you to assume that I am sexually attracted to females alone. I dislike sexual intercourse and find romance absolutely repulsive. What attracts me is femininity. It need not be a female. I enjoy the suffering, be it physical.
Why is it doing this?
Let's do this.
If A is larger than or equal than B.
Nah, ini bagian Arya nih.
Nice.
Very nice.
Or psychological. I am what neurotypicals call a sadist. It might not be easy for you to obtain what you want, but the same restrictions do not apply to me to that extent. Not when I have both superior intellect and looks, and even money to some extent when compared to average people. The only reason I even read pornography is to, for me, I love many girls, even they are not enough content. I do not require true love, lest to obtain it in either the long run. I do not bother only people, but also they include my family. Base exaltation, dabbing on all the Puritans with his unique ideology pertaining females. I bet this is him, actually.
This Chinese 58% off groceries and shops on Foodpanda.
Gimana
I
nih?
know, right? The feeling when he assumed I'm neurotypical and not a deranged masochistic retard. I've never had a pussy so wet in my life. How pathetic do you have to be to write paragraphs of bullshit in the comments of a hentai? Anyway, 10 out of 10. Very good hentai. I do agree with you being a retard. I wonder what led you to the conclusion.
Berarti apa ya? Kalau dia lebih besar dari B. Wah, langsung.
What?
Gak boleh nembak. Tunggu, pelan-pelan. A-nya 0 loh ya. Berarti
least-
dia at least one is 0.
This.
Yay, good. Oke, hati-hati. Dua-duanya 0.
Can you? A word.
At least one is 0. Both are 0, program ends.
And I am what? Neurotypical.
At least one is 0.
Explain the rules of logic. You any assumption or
Both
attributes
are 0, program ends.
has been
Ya, harusnya
on
kayaknya D deh.
so
Coba cek.
how perverse. On another note, I do feel a latent Western logic that, or they delete those that had been rotting for almost 30 years otherwise. How disgusting. Bro, why you think I get lights in the head? Garrus. Average people really have low intellects. That said, most that access this site are even below that mark. Primarily, calling this piece of pornography a doujin, especially
Hmm. Coba ya. Kembangin. Yang mana ya? Kalau kata-kata saya pinter, baru mau ngomong. Haha, good, 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 good.
like clearly stated manga is a tad appalling. Secondarily, what made them think this was a fight is incomprehensible. Tertiarily, their souls burning with urges to remind me of the productivity of my talks despite their incompetent sarcasm. Being masochists was a personal opinion, and that one comments about it, and so on.
Intelligent psychopath, but proper trollers.
Abhorring females, and so on.
I think you're either a troll or someone who really wants to sound like a highly intelligent psychopath, but probably isn't. As someone who knows a literal genius with an IQ over 150 and knew a psychopath in the past, it's not that I think it unlikely for a psychopath genius to write things like you've said on a hentai website, but just that I find you unconvincing. A real psychopath would likely make a normal hentai account and pretend to be someone they're not, playing an act to fool others in order to see the mental workings of the people here, and then maybe say a couple of things to upset people, or play some games with a particularly weak person's feelings, or more likely, they wouldn't waste their time here. Cool story, though. A little dull, but still a good read.
It is the same when one questions the existence of a god. It can neither be proved nor be disproved. It is purely subjective to what one believes.
Apa nih kok? Coba ya di refresh kok gitu.
Complete the given
Ah.
and solve.
Okay. Take parameter x. Print the following order confirm only if x less than 70. Else print order limit reach. Ih, gampang. In both case, the program must print thank you on a separate line. Gampang ya, bisa ya? We can do it. Ada if, else, console log.
Hajani.
Ah, apa? Oh,
Facts and physical laws, or more generally, any statement cannot be proved without any underlying assumptions.
produk.
That may include the proportion of the audience that finds the proof acceptable. Likewise, a man who picks up a rotten apple once does not learn to spot every rotten apple there is. In other words, he does not gain the ability to prove the state of an apple once encountered. Imagine a future where guilt is decided by AI programmed to deal out justice.
Charge the murder of your wife. 90 minutes to prove your innocence. Will be executed.
Nah, nah.
Commoners, average folks, to feel the need to point out what they think is pointless. But commoners always tend to think that they are normal and are attracted to normalcy like flies are attracted to lamps. This is how these insects are able to form swarms of like-minded mongrels like themselves. This swarm strengthens each of its member by reinforcing its common ideals, protecting its weakling individuals, and develops an inertia of normalcy. Take, for instance, two insects below these two posts, a poster of the whatever comment and another poster of the dumb comment. Commoners lack processing abilities, and it takes a lot of effort and time for them to process even a single paragraph. And the result is very prone to errors, and would rather spend this time masturbating. Which of course would make some sense, given that this is a pornographic site. The dummels instinctively find others who are superior to them dumber, a trait very often found in commoners. Unfortunately, to find everyone out of that tiny circle that they've drawn up, a threat to their lowly and wretched existence, if not for the strength of their swarm, it mowed the face of this planet to dive in faster!
Ya, bisa ya. Ini candle deh.
Console.log.
Iya. Iya, emang jago dia. Langsung nggak? Langsung hijau nggak? Hah? Um, only if X lebih kecil dari 70, else order limit. Kenapa? Apa ya yang salah? Bener ya?
Oh,
Ya,
yes,
thank you.
thank
Ya,
you, thank you,
kelewat.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oke, pasti bener lah ini kan.
You want to be a major? Are you considering it? Let's have a chat. I am one at UCLA.
What if I told you that all of our
Coba.
are men, and all of them are sexist women? Not made in the higher sciences. They may be educated, but they cannot reach the depths of philosophy.
And this is all of your favorite philosophers, even the recent ones that are female, are equally just as sexist.
Do you believe that there is going to be a day where there's going to be a female in the White House as president, and how How do you feel about that? I wouldn't vote for her.
Haha, 47% loh. Nice. I am so happy. Okay.
College party. When we think of college parties, at least here in the US, we think of a bunch of Jews, hurrah, candy. I'm kidding about the people who just that. It's a wild and unpredictable environment, but you think you'll be fine because you're smart, have heard of all the stories this morning, and nothing can go wrong when you're aware of all that, right? That was my mentality. That all those dangerous things I heard about could never happen to me because I thought I knew the science and knew what not to do. But unfortunately, I had to learn the hard way that things can go wrong regardless of how prepared you think you really are, and how effed up it is that victims have to suffer because of a society that has developed and normalized this toxic mentality towards speaking up about consent and assault. When I was a freshman in college, I decided to join my school.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, ada listening.
Oh yeah. Is there any way to fix code remotely? Because like in a scenario where you already have walls of and walls and walls of code, it can be very, very hard to find where your mistake is. And even if you do know where it is, it will be very, very what is it? Very tough to
Hard.
go there.
But
Fix it manually. Is there
usually
a way to fix it like remotely?
I mean, the compiler or the interpreter will tell us which line that has bug usually. Ya kan, ya suka ada itunya kan. They will show us a hint where the problem is. So as you know, along the way you are learning coding, then you'll be better at debugging. This is actually harder than coding itself because like lots of programmer can write codes, but they're bad at debugging because debugging is harder. Ya kan? Because it's unexpected. Okay, next. Yeah.
Besides being able to juggle around object with their personality, bond features, and eye-catching design, we got some utilitarian. It's good ingredient coding.
Mana ya? Okay, next.
Where are you going? I don't know. Since history, there have been three main factors that stand out. First one being that users can create Roblox games and Roblox items. Second one being that users can chat and interact with each other. Third one being that there's infinite customization, especially with avatar creation. Now, in 2026, it's all destroyed. What happened? Okay, so let's recap. Basically, the UK placed a law on January 8th requiring online apps to provide proper age verification to use. For Roblox specifically, you were required to give a picture of your face, therefore violating your privacy. And then AI will be used
faces place you in an age range. The worst part about this was that it wasn't even accurate. There are so many images of inaccurate age verifications that could be extremely dangerous. This would also limit team creep to those who did verify their age, therefore destroying the chat factor and damaging the user creation factor. Not only that, this didn't even fix the predator problem that the original law was for. In fact, there's now a black market for predators to buy accounts within age ranges. And since these age ranges were segregated, it makes it even easier for predators to find people. As now, not many bystanders would even know what's going on. Putting more
Di next
victims.
aja ya.
That's how the way it looks
Vlogging.
destroying the third factor, which is customization.
Next. Yeah, look at compilation error. They will tell you when there's any errors, like missing parentheses or some syntax error, missing some semicolon. Good. Nah, benerin ya. What's the problem? Is there anything wrong with the code?
All of them. They're being substituted now for these stupid faces. Fuck are these? They're putting years of history, limited soul with these names. And they don't even look that accurate either. Like, look at this. Oh my god. I decided to look at a couple of faces on stream. Oh my god, some of them just look horrifying. Okay, so this is what Roblox wants us to wear. It's a worst
Oh,
one,
nih
bro.
nggak usah.
I'm being so serious, bro. This is
Betul.
genuinely the worst shit ever. Look at it, like, I'm gonna go inside. I just like, do you see this shit? What the hell is that? Also, it like looks poorly cropped from afar. Like it genuinely looks terrible. Talk with your mic in Roblox. Okay. Hello. Oh my god. What the hell?
Oh iya benar.
Terrible. Where can I find one that's like actually looks bad? There's the awesome face, bro.
Oke,
Oh
oke, oke, oke.
my god. Hey guys, what's up? Recently published. Let's see what they just added. The worst one. Dude, that's honestly skin teeth. Skin teeth. Yeah, this company is so lazy that they turned the shiny teeth face into skin teeth. Yeah, after replacing the classic faces with you'd expect the community to riot. And riot they did. On the same stream, I was looking at Twitter posts that were being, and they're some of the funniest things ever. People literally X's and curses onto David Baszucki, and it's just so. Just look at this, man. So this is what I was talking about. So, this is what I'm saying on Twitter, though. Okay, this is better. This better. Over David Baszucki, by the way. All this over David Baszucki, by the way. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's just people taking their skin off. What is that? Golden Baszucki.
Mari salah loh ya.
Golden Baszucki, bro. Golden Baszucki.
Oh, kurung tutupnya. Arya biar cari sendiri deh. Kan
Dude,
juga udah
why
tahu
are we
error.
Nightmare Bazooki? Or no, would this be Phantom Bazooki or Nightmare? Who would this be? Okay, anyways, so here's what I think are the biggest problems with this removal. Starting with number one, Soul. Roblox has shown time and time again that they prefer going with what others go with to try to appease to the stockholders. And this removal of faces for this advanced dynamic face feature is not only our biggest case in this argument, but also shows how little they care for the community. They're willing to sacrifice one of the most integral parts of Roblox, been there for almost decades, I'd assume, for the sake of appealing towards some stockholders and shunning their community. And you might argue, oh, but why not use CGC dynamic faces? Whoops, it's so dumb, man. Like Roblox is actually nuts, bro. Fucking idiot, R2. Will this be a repeating occurrence? What I mean by this is, will this result in a domino effect and open gates of Roblox removing bigger things? Cats, accessories, all six. We don't even know if they're even willing to rescind this update. They seem to be showing a very, very little sign of wanting to. And the thing is, they've even tried to show signs of removing old features like R6 with R15, and even R15 with Anthro. Does anyone even remember Anthro anyway? I swear I saw a video about it a long time ago. Number 3, does the community even have a voice? Even after all of this, after everything, Roblox still won't back down. They didn't back down during the age verification. They didn't back down during previous things, and they still won't now. And this begs the question, do we even have a voice? I mean, people have been outraged by this stuff all the way since Arthro was announced, and even so, Roblox keeps trying to push for all this stuff over and over and over again. We know we don't matter to them at this point. It's all the stockholders. But do we even have the slightest bit of a voice? And finally, number 4, the economy. In case you haven't seen it yet, because of this removal, users are panic selling all of their limited faces so that they can at least keep some. Now, I'm not really well versed with the limited economy, but I'm pretty sure this shows how bad this update is. People don't even want the items, especially seeing items like the super happy face just drop. It shows something. I think that's really all I have to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.
Oke, lupa. Ayo ya, apa sih yang ada? Area benerin yang kanan ada yang telat 1.
Unmatched.
Nah, gitu kan? Pinter Arya unmatched, berarti kurang. Tinggal dicek aja yang tanda negatif. Bukan di situ sayangku. Sebelum else, nutup yang punyanya if. Yang punyanya if, oh ya else-nya belum tutup. Ya, if-nya juga belum tutup. Sebelum else. Bukan itu sayangku. Jangan ya, jangan di situ. Bukan titik koma yang kurang kurung kurawa. Yang kurang kurung kurawal. Kurung kurawal punyanya if. If kan ada kurung kurawal buka tuh. Dia belum ditutup.
Ini
Dicek.
ada 2 nih. Yang ini
Iya.
di sini.
Ini
Yang
nggak ada
ini di
temennya
sini.
ya. Yang ini nggak punya teman, kasihan dia.
Ini?
nggak usah.
Ini apa?
Itu punyanya Els kan? Ini punyanya ini.
Yang ini apa? Yang di atas ini.
Oh, berarti ini nggak usah. Ini dikasih tutup. Jadi ini mereka harus kayak gitu loh ya, saling nutup gitu, supaya nggak bingung compilernya.
Iya, jadinya apa yang salah nih?
Ini if-nya nih belum ada tutupnya, dia harus di sebelum else. Jadi si programmer si compilernya tahu, oh itu if-nya udah selesai gitu. Sekarang masuk ke else. Gitu boleh lah. Oke, coba.
Oke.
Hijau nih kayaknya, soalnya lama. Nah. Hijau. Ya. Lama kali dia berpikir ya. Mengantri.
Mojo or Sukuna level? Nah, it's UG level now. Y'all remember how we used to scale characters through Sukuna fingers? Yeah, well that's a scaling method of the past that we no longer accept anymore. We now need to start having the conversations about how many UG fingers characters scale to. Gojo, he's probably a solid 4 UG fingers, and Sukuna, he's probably in the 4.5 to 5 finger UG range. Alright, so for those of you who might be confused right now, in the latest JJK Modulo chapter, we finally got to see Yuji in his prime 60 years after the end of JJK. And this mentally insane man, within minutes of showing up in the manga for the first time, is already out here throwing out a single low output dismantle that did 50 times more damage than Sukuna's Fuga and Gojo's Hollow Purple Nuke combined. If this is the size of Yuji's base dismantle, then his Fuga Hyuga has gotta be the size of the sun itself. Yuji, in a single
What?
chapter, already managed to debunk every single fraud allegation thrown at his way. And all the Yuji haters, all the people that said Yuta clears Yuji, and all the people that were saying that Yuji would never show up no matter what, are now panicking, saying absurd things like JJK Modulo isn't even canon, to try and cope with the fact that Yuji is miles above anyone else in the verse. Now listen, I'm not gonna sit here and gatekeep Yuji from all the haters because I know the switch ups are bound to happen, but if you do decide to switch up, I am requiring that you fill out this apology form immediately, because all of the past slander that was let loose on my goats will not go unchecked. Do not abuse time. After 3 days of starting your work, steal the baby villager's bed and sleep in it. When you wake up, an hourglass will slip from under your bed. If you use it, you'll be teleported to a new dimension, the time dimension. Here, there is nothing except you and time itself. You can't break blocks or do anything except sit and ponder. When you leave, time will be frozen for a couple of minutes. You will have escaped the Matrix, and you can do whatever you want. But at the same time, this guy will be watching you. If he finds you enjoying your stay in the time dimension, do not a muscle. If you do, he'll disconnect your controller. So next time, do not abuse.
Have to wear a helmet at all times. My true face would surely startle you. But if that's all right, I'm fine with showing my face to you. It's a bit scary, though. She must be cuter than she seems, so she has to wear armor to look intimidating. Get away! This must be Scar. Scar's really
Expensive bird. Masih ya Allah. Ya di refresh aja ya deh. Ini mah kayaknya ngebug lama banget.
Eh,
Refresh ya. Salah, udah lama salah. Udah lama salah lagi ya. Ya Allah. Apa coba? Oh, else-nya Arya. Abis else jangan ada titik koma, Gara coba.
huh?
Abis else jangan ada titik koma. Baris 6.
But then,
Again.
what?
Nah, iya. Ah, ya
Oh,
Allah. Ngelama gara-gara mikirin itu doang sih compilernya. Ya Allah. Yuk. Gimana ya? Runtime error. Nah, tuh lihat ya ada tanda seru. Kan kalau tadi tanda kali merah kan, itu berarti kan ada syntax error. Kalau kuning berarti runtime error tuh. Kalau sama berarti sama, kalau enggak not equal. Berarti yang salah apa nih?
I don't think you're using
61, 62.
Let me explain.
Is equal sama dengan equal.
Long periods of time,
Hmm?
you have an exceptional set of abilities within yourself. Concentration over extended periods.
Oh, karena konstanta ya. Harusnya konstanta nggak boleh berubah ya.
Recognition of
Iya, konstantanya nih yang salah nih.
So why would you be done the wrong thing? You'll be a very pleasurable play. Force you to sort of put your mind at home too. Sure, you are alive in the body of the real world, but your mind is going to regularly think of what's next in your virtual world, which is also quite literally your other real life, as you live that world with your spirit. The problem with
Hello, guys. I am making this video while I am away for the holidays.
Halo,
Yang salah apa coba, Arya? Kalau kata Kak Cika, salah konstantanya deh.
aku nggak bisa ngedengar Kak Cika.
Hah? Yaudah
Ini
Kak Cika
ini
ketik
gimana
ya.
sih?
Coba
Aku
chat.
ngerjain aja. Bisa bisa tolong kasih tahu di chat nggak?
Nih Kak Cika udah chat. JavaScript ada string nggak sih? String in JavaScript. Hah?
Gimana ya ini?
Konstantanya ganti. Nah, kan? String is equal. Bukan string deh kayaknya.
So I hope you had a great Christmas and New Year. I am unable to voice my right now, but yeah, thank you for 1.6K subscribers. Hey, you wanna yap? That's fine with me, man. That's fine with me. Yap all you want. Don't do her. Don't. I love. Okay, grab please. Oh, I'm here today. I think I get it well. Bye. I'm over soda that I probably have. I dare you. No, I'm not. I dare you. Sure. How is this guy still alive, bro? How's it going to be all like? What if I get all? They're getting absolutely ripped apart right now. Isn't that like I'm gonna rip you apart next round, buddy. I literally tore the team apart without a hesitation, dude. Because I was just like messing around. Liar, bro. And why is he lying? BT trying to mess, bro, and I was really you backstab this. You're gonna cry. I promise that's my promise, bro. Man. Yep.
Tunggu.
Okay. Well. Can't look back there. Yeah. You would chew those stamina either way. I thought getting pace is fine. No. Okay. I was over here. Since well, I'd have to buy mana. Money.
that is. Oh, rail, up, down, and above, and above, or this way.
Where is? Oh, and I don't get my aura read. Where's my aura read, bruh? I don't get an aura read. Yeah, and I don't get an aura read my Meiji face. That's cool.
It's still good. Actually good, bro. It's actually good. Because actually might be the dumbest guy ever. You find him already?
No.
Not there.
I love it when my aura read is broken, gets broken. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it.
Coba ya, kalau saya pakai lab bisa nggak ya? Coba ya dia. Kak Cika coba ya. Ini jangan pakai string ya. Coba. Nah, gitu ya. Jadi konstantanya tuh nggak bisa, harus kita ganti pakai
Oh,
string pakai lab
alhamdulillah aku
aja.
bisa dengar Kak
Nah,
Cika
ini
lagi.
kuis.
Alhamdulillah.
Ya, Arya sekarang kuisnya.
Love it when my aura read is broken. Oh crap.
Literally, I'm really gonna push. Wow.
Correct conditional. Aneh berarti. Kalau integernya ganjil sama genap, berarti dia dibagi 0. Fix the following function. If n, oh ini kebalik, area ini arahnya kebalik. Kan ini greater. Berarti ini harusnya gini.
Oke. Thank you.
Iya. Hijau dong. Jreng, 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 jreng. Hai, lama lagi dia. Apa lagi ya? Ada yang lewat nggak? Harusnya hijau nih. Dang, 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 dang. Oh, ini. Ih, lama. Refresh lagi ya. Hmm. Mana nih Aryan? Wah, refresh aja. Coba kasih ke refresh ya. Reload, reload, reload. Lama kali ini reloadnya.
Work today is broken. We're all working in too many disconnected apps, and it's killing team productivity.
Save musik dulu ya.
This is your brain when you're struggling to focus. And this is your brain when you're in the zone. But getting...
Oke. Nice. Kenapa ini dia submit lagi coba? Oh, udah nih incorrect index. Baru lagi nih ya. Since JavaScript has zero-based indexing, this means that the first index is 0. It is easy to forget that and use one-based indexing instead. This incorrect indexing leads to another logical error. Nah, liatin, ya. Kayaknya itu yang itu.
Error tuh string 1 tambah string 4 tambah string 6. Problemnya kalau stringnya cuma 2 huruf gimana? Atau 1 huruf? Ya kan? Coba deh. Kita lihat. Hello, how you doing? The first. Oh, ini semuanya salah ya indeksnya. Dia geser 1, ini harusnya 0. Ini harusnya 3. Ini harusnya 5. Kan hitungnya dari 0. Coba ya benerin ya. Coba sama Arya deh, sama Arya. Coba ya ganti indeksnya aja. Zero base indexing. Duh, duh.
035.
Ya, cok. Sama Arya diganti coba. So, dia salah ngitung. Terus yang hitungnya dari 0. Oke, let's go. Ngacat lagi hijaunya nih. Pasti problematikanya dia dengan hijaunya ini. Ntar cek refresh lagi ya. Lama ya. Wow.
Kak, izin ke toilet dulu bentar. Kebelet.
Oke, langsung hijau. Oke. Oke ya, Cika tunggu. Hmm. Nah, kita cek nih. Oke, ya di ya kalau udah balik lagi kasih tahu.
look like you're leaving. This is well, last night, man.
Arya udah balik.
Ya udah, I'm back.
Oke, good. Apa nih ya? B to be one full pair if A tambah B tambah A kali B 1 1 1. Hah? Apa nih? For example, 1,55 is a one full pair sin 1 tambah 55 tambah 1,55 56. Oh. Oh gitu. Berarti harus dicek. Hmm. Oke. If A tambah B tambah A kali B. Masalah apa sih ya? Kurungnya udah. Oh, apa coba ya? Ini bukan sih ya? Ini has to be equal sign, I think. Dengan ini ya. Oke. One full pair. Ya, coba diganti sama dengannya aja ya. Satu. Satu kali 55. Satu kali 56. Ya kan? Pegel. Cobain ini ya. Hmm. Oke, kita taruh di nomor ini. Oke.
Ya. Oh,
Iya,
what do I have to do now? Huh? Can you not do that? I'm still in the learning lesson. I swear I left it in the door. Maaf, tadi ini ada urusan.
ya. Ya, coba itu ganti sama dengannya jadi 3, coba bener nggak?
Oke. Ini.
Heeh. Soalnya itu kayaknya errornya di situ deh. Equal sign-nya nggak sama. Soalnya rumusnya udah bener, tapi sama dengannya nggak bener. Kok gitu? Sama dengannya 3, sayangku. Kan kalau di JavaScript sama dengan, sama dengan, sama dengan. Ntar dulu. Ini apa? Udah, Mak.
Gimana ya?
Sama dengannya 3 ya. Bukan angka 3. Nah, gitu.
Conditional expression.
Sama dengannya 3.
Oh,
Kan kalau di JavaScript misalnya 3.
oh.
Nah, kan. Oke, lanjut. Next. Aduh, bentar ya. Aduh, I'm back, I'm back. Aduh, ada pintu lagi. Ada tamu tadi, coba. Akhirnya digantian deh. Coba sekarang apa? Oh, debug the code. Ayo, kalau temperatur di atas 20, nah berarti apa ya? Nggak, else-nya kurang 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 tutup buka. Kurung bukanya kurang else-nya. Terus
Apa?
kayaknya sama dengannya dihapus deh. Else-nya kurang kurung kurawal buka deh. Kayaknya gini deh.
Oh ya.
Kurang itu. Terus ini kayaknya nggak usah pakai sama dengan ya. Ya nggak sih?
Iya ya. Oke.
Nice. Hebat
Right on
tuh.
time.
Oh iya, pas ya.
Makasih
Oke,
ya
oke.
Kak Cika.
Makasih ya
Maaf ya
sayangku.
kalau aku ada kesalahan banyak.
Sama-sama Kak Cika
Ya.
juga ya. Makasih ya sayang. Bye-bye.